How to add an additional dock to the iPhone. Have you ever wished that your iPhone had more space on the dock? For many, only 4 applications are not enough. If you're one of them, stay until the end and find out how you can add another dock to your entire phone. The first step is to open the Shortcut application. Here we can add all the applications that we want to be added to the additional dock. We will add the application by going to the Shortcut section from the bottom menu. Here we will tap on the plus icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. In the new menu, we will select the Open App option. After that, we will tap on the keyword app and select the application we want from the list. It is desirable to change the name of the shortcut, and we will do that by tapping on the Open App located at the top of the screen and selecting the Rename option from the list. We will write the name we want and tap on the Done button on the keyboard. Confirm all changes by tapping the Done button located in the upper right corner of the screen. When you have added all the applications you want, close the Shortcut application. Open the settings on your phone. In the list of options, find the Accessibility section and tap on it. In the list of options, find the Touch option and tap on it. The option we need in the new menu is the first one in the series, Assistive Touch. Tap on it. When the new menu opens, tap the switch next to this option to activate it. After that, tap on Customize Top-Level menu. Here you can choose how many applications you want to display. You can choose a maximum of 8. To add an application, just tap on the plus icon. A list will appear in which we need to scroll until we find the Shortcut section. When we find it, select the shortcut we added and tap the Done button located in the upper right corner. That's all. As you can see, we used Assistive Touch as an additional dock for our applications. All that is needed is to tap on it and select the application that we want to open. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iOS tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.